At times, you may need to periodically replace the batteries in your wireless security sensors and Z-Wave devices, such as your door lock. The easiest way to replace batteries for wireless devices is to put the control panel into a system test. Once the panel is in a system test, you can open the individual sensor and replace the batteries. Z-Wave device batteries can be replaced at any time without being in a system test. For the thermostat, all you need to do is take the bottom cover off and replace the batteries. For the door lock, you need to open the cover of the interior case and replace the batteries. By now, you should be very comfortable using and adjusting your system. Using these simple steps will allow you to adjust your control panel to better fit your needs in your home, while maximizing its smart home features. Let your smart home work for you.